2018 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, power windows, compass, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, tachometer, remote keyless entry. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.